What does a logistics person do? A logistics professional, also known as a logistician, manages the intricate process of getting products from suppliers to customers. They are involved in all supply chain stages, from planning and forecasting to transportation and delivery. Their main goal is to ensure that goods are delivered on time and at the lowest possible cost. Logisticians use their analytical and problem-solving skills to optimize transportation routes, minimize warehouse storage costs, and ensure timely product delivery. They also work closely with suppliers and customers to coordinate shipments and address any issues that may arise. In addition to these responsibilities, logisticians play a crucial role in risk management. They must anticipate potential problems, such as shipment delays or disruptions in the supply chain, and have contingency plans to mitigate these risks. Logistics professionals are essential in keeping businesses and positively running smoothly and customers satisfied. Without their expertise and attention to detail, the supply chain process would be chaotic and increase costs for both companies and consumers. So next time you receive a package on time, remember to thank your friendly neighborhood logistician. In addition to managing the supply chain process, logistics professionals play a vital role in the global economy. By optimizing transportation routes and minimizing costs, they contribute to the efficient movement of goods and promote international trade. This benefits businesses and positively impacts consumers by providing them access to a diverse range of products at competitive prices. Logisticians must also stay updated on industry trends and technological advancements to continuously improve their processes. With the rise of e-commerce, logistics has become even more crucial in ensuring the timely delivery of products to customers' doorsteps. This has led to the development of new technologies, such as automated warehouses and delivery drones, which logisticians must be familiar with to incorporate into their operation. Get ready to be thrilled. You're about to discover a revolutionary piece of tech that's sure to make your day-to-day operations smoother than a freshly paved highway. This isn't just another gizmo. This is the future of efficiency. So, are you ready to leap into the future of logistics? Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. Affiliate disclaimer: Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and all its content. Thank you. Learn more. Stop the presses. Here's your golden ticket to the future of seamless shipping and logistics. Meet Motive. This isn't just a revolution, folks, it's a full-scale logistics rebellion. Are you tired of wading through mountains of paperwork? Sick of playing detective with your shipments? Motive is here to streamline your shipping process, making it as smooth as a jazz tune on a summer night. But wait, there's more. Imagine having real-time road and traffic insights that let you stay far ahead of the pack, eliminating those heart-stopping moments when unforeseen roadblocks appear. This isn't just the talk of the town. It's the talk of the industry. Why? Because Motive isn't a mere tool. It's your passport to a future of efficient, stress-free shipping. Join the revolution today and watch Motive catapult your business to new heights. Check out the link in the description for more info about Motive. For an engaging deep dive into the riveting world of logistics, don't forget to check out our previous video.